Welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you are already part of Free Spirit family. I'm Psychic Tarot Card Reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Make sure you subscribe the channel if you wish to be part of free live and donation reads, which I try to take every day. So let's do general collective reading for sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this reading is about what your partner is hiding from you. Let's take a deeper look at their current situation. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and messages are not for you. I've already shuffled the cards. Let's get started. So first thing first, what are you doing now in this situation? Eight of Cups and Death and Rebirth. Wow. So I can see that you are walking away from all the emotional pain and the secrets which you don't know, and you are trying to just look through the light here. I can see that you are just trying to follow that light and you are ending the situation from your end. You're emotionally walking away from this person, and I can see you might be having Scorpio or they might have Scorpio in their chart. So first thing I'm getting from you is like you are tired of their whatever they have been doing with you. So you are just walking away. So what is happening with them? King of Swords and Ace of Swords. King of Swords and Ace of Swords. So what is happening with them? I can see that they are this is very clear to them that you are walking away, and that is making them feel angry a bit, because normally King of Swords is a very brutal person. They are watching you from far, that you are moving away. Like there's a crow here, an owl here, they know, and a bat here. So this person is having all kind of emotions right now. They are feeling that there's now the truth and clarity, you know about everything, and you are just walking away from them. So that is what is happening with them right now. Yes, they are angry, but at the same time they are watching you from the far. So what do you expect from this person? I have Two of Swords, these beautiful cards here, yeah, and Four of Cups. So what I can see is this person, like you want this person to open their blindfold. Excuse me. I can feel that this person always, there are two crows like speaking in their ears. So I think you want them to understand that ignoring things because of people who are in your ears, if you start looking at the truth properly, maybe you will be less disappointed. This is what you expect from person. Like you just want them to see your cup here. I can feel that you want them to see what you offered them, but they are so blindfolded with other people's how to say this, point of view, or what they speak in their ear. They are blindfolded towards you. So you want them to open that blindfold and just see what is happening around them. Wow. So what are their intention towards you? Wow, this person is really manipulative. I can see that this person, this is a Page of Pentacle and Three of Swords. They want to come with a small offer towards you, and their intention is like to stab you in your heart with the third party. I think there's a third party involved here. Third party can be family, friends, or their career, money, anything which come in between you and your person is a third party. So I think they are just going to come back and show you their small pentacle or a small gift, or some type of offer which is going to make you feel that they are going to invest in you again. So their intention is like just to keep you stuck. They are going to give you a small thing. Page of Pentacle is a like baby offer. And then they have an intention to stab you with the truth, or there is like they want to betray you like so badly that it will again make you feel that I think you know this intuitively. That is why you are walking away from them. You don't have this person's full attention. You know that there are secrets, because I can see the moon here. Moon is very big, so maybe there are so many secrets that you have never imagined also. So I think you don't know whole truth, and this person is thinking about how you know the truth or how you got the clarity. They don't know like how you can just make that decision and walk away from them. This is what this person is thinking. Like he's pissed off because you should be stuck there. You should not walk away from them. This is what this person feels. So let's take random message first. The Chariot. So this person is coming towards you. Focus. And Ten of Wands. I just said that. Okay. He wants you to carry all the burden of this relationship, and you should focus on that. And if you are not right now focused, and if they feel that your energy is walking away from them, that is bothering them, and they are coming towards you. There might be a cancer involved here. Maybe they are having cancer, or you are having cancer in your chart. So yes, this person is rushing in just because they don't know what's going on. They had been watching you from far for a very long time. They feel that you are not focused on what is supposed to be done. Like you carry this burden. Oh my God. Wow. So energies can be vice versa. So take as how it resonates. Somehow it is your person's reading, so it has to be their energy only. But it can happen. So let's see. What are they hiding? Okay. King of Wands. And Three of Pentacles. Wow. Can you see that lion in the background? Okay, this person, first thing first, this person is very, very prideful. They are never going to take any accountability here. What I feel is that they are never going to take any accountability. They feel like they should take accountability or responsibility in the situation, but they are never going to do that. They will always give you a hope that they are working, they are the one who wants to work on this relationship, and they are very passionate. That is what they are going to show you. But at the end of the day, they want you to work on the relationship, and they want to be a player in this relationship. Like they want you to wait on them. I can see there might be a Leo involved here who might want you to wait on them. So this is what I'm getting here. So basically this person is hiding that, and you still feel that they are listening to other people. That is why there is a chaos in our like relationship. But I can see that this person has really disappointed you too much. They never saw what you offered, like what was the difference between you and third parties here. So that is what they are hiding here. What is the outcome of the situation? So outcome of the situation is like Ace of Swords. Wow. And the Magician. Really? So if you really wait for them to come forward and talk to you, this person is really toxic, because I can see that they are pissed off because they don't like that you are walking away, because there are so many secrets. You are not really interested anymore. You just want to end the relationship and you want to move forward. Or it can also mean that you want everything, whatever has happened, to end and then walk away from that. But here what I can see, that outcome of the situation is this person is very manipulative. He will make sure that you feel their absence, that you should never get the clarity regarding them, that they want you to be stuck in their situation. This person wants to explore their options. Moreover, they want you to work on it. So this is extreme selfish person here. I can see They want you to carry the burden here. It's like they don't want to, like they want you to be focused on that, like they want you to be focused on them. So what would be the outcome? Even if you accept that offer, this person will manipulate you a lot again, and moreover they will make sure that you think about them 24/7. Wow, this is really, really annoying. Like how can, if they want to work on the relationship, they can come forward and work, but I think this person wants to manipulate the situation, so be aware of that. So let's take some angel messages for you. So I have 3 angel messages for you. Oh my god, darkness, self-reflection, and abundance. So what does darkness say? Darkness is like transformation. I think it's important, when there is darkness, there has to be light. So during this period, you can do your shadow work, self reflection, or anything which bothers you. You can really work on that. You should work on your fear and try to make yourself best version of yourself. So this is the darkness. So you are going through a little bit dark time right now, but what I can see that this is a path where you can really work on yourself, have faith, and move forward. This is the message from angels to you. And self reflection. So self reflection says that just understand what you believe in. This is a girl standing in front of a mirror. So try to understand. Like, don't be in your emotions all along. Think logically that, like, what you believe and why. You should not be afraid to look at your own self or whatever you think about yourself. Just think about it calmly. And again, there is a moon here. So please understand that this full moon is going to make sure that you are going through this period and you are going to come out of it. Shh. So the last card is abundance. So no doubt, once you go through this period, darkness, self-reflection, the abundance is on the way. Abundance is, you are an abundant person. You have to understand and believe this. Possibilities and opportunities are all around you, but you have to make sure that you use that opportunity, or that abundance will come to you once you work on that. Have faith that you are an abundant person first of all. Once you understand that, everything will be sorted. And I hope you are doing the right thing by walking away and ending this situation with this manipulative person. They just want you to be focused on fear. Oh my god, this person is really, like, this person wants to explore their option, but don't want to work on it. So your angels are telling you that yes, they want you to walk through that path in darkness, so that you can find yourself. Okay, this is self reflection, to find your own self. And what are you going to find out? That you are an abundant person. You can make any possible, like, you can make anything happen. Like, you have to just make sure that you find opportunities and possibilities, and you can achieve anything you put your mind into. So these are your messages. I hope you like this kind of reading. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for personal reading. Do check description box, or you can mail me at address given on the screen. I would love to have you as part of my live reading sessions. So hop in. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.